美国的总统川普甲世界各国扣关税，到目前为止名单也无台湾。纽约时报的报道讲，美国可能先甲台湾、甲印度达成着握手的协议，也就是口头协议。
We're very close to Japan. We sell them no cars because they won't accept our cars, and they won't accept much of our agriculture either. So, but they're all changing their ways very, very rapidly.
讲到和日本的关税谈判，美国总统川普会中有献机，不过嘛是感觉真不满。当落来谈判过程，敢若互川普愈来愈烦。苹果报道，川普对伊认为唔免阁浪费时间谈判国家，可能直接设定关税，未来几天会小刷开奖。
These tariffs are real if the president doesn't get a deal that he thinks is good enough. But conversations are ongoing.
白宫经济顾问夏赛就强调，若无想要食关税协议，必须互川普满意。若阁伫咧谈判台湾，进前纽约时报报道，美国可能先互台湾、印度达成握手协议，也就是先用嘴品，可能也阁有真侪内容爱阁谈判。
We will therefore also extend the suspension of our countermeasures till early August. And at the same time, we will continue to prepare further countermeasures so we are fully prepared.
若扣30%关税欧盟原本准备对价值210亿的欧元，差不多7000多亿新台币的美国产品征税，回响川普的降低阿鲁米关税。不过决定搁一摆延期，只是官方希望谈判，欧盟商界嘛普遍强硬声音。
I would very much recommend to take a hard stance. The United States might even suffer more than the European Union from those tariffs.
有经行业专家建议，对伫咧欧盟有伫咧做生意的美国公司，亲像亚马逊、Meta 等施压，逼这公司去施压北京。如今各方拢想要伫咧关税战延长赛，拢希望会当降低关税冲击。
Hello， 我是蒋欣梅。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。